Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, the Achedaway the Chambernet. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about recovery tools out there, deep tissue massage guns. If you're dealing with sore muscles, tight knots, or just need better recovery after workouts, this video is for you. Let's check out the top 5 massage guns for deep tissue relief in 2025, tested, reviewed, and worth your money. Number 1, Theragun Pro Plus by Therabody. This one's a beast. With a 16mm amplitude and up to 60 pounds of stall force, the Theragun Pro Plus gives one of the deepest massages you can get. It also includes a built-in heat option, Bluetooth app control, and 6 attachments for total body coverage. Yes, it's pricey, but if you want pro-level power and durability, this is the gold standard. Number 2, Hypervolt 2 Pro by Hyperease. Lightweight yet strong, with a 14mm stroke length, the Hypervolt 2 Pro is perfect for athletes who want a mix of performance and comfort. It's quieter than the Theragun, has 5 adjustable speeds, and a solid ergonomic design that's easy on the wrist. Battery life? Around 3 hours per charge is not bad at all. Number 3, Achedaway Pro, a true under-the-radar powerhouse. It delivers up to 16mm amplitude and 80-pound stall force, competing directly with top premium brands, but at nearly half the price. Metal body, removable battery, and super smooth operation make it a top pick for deep tissue recovery without breaking the bank. Number 4, Bob & Brad X6 Pro. Created by 2 physical therapists, this one's built with science in mind. It offers a 12mm amplitude, quiet brushless motor, and smart pressure sensors so you don't overdo it. Great for home users who want professional-grade relief without the noise or bulk. Number 5, Ekran B37. A balanced mid-range massage gun. It has 15mm amplitude, 56 pounds stall force, and a sleek ergonomic design that's super easy to handle. Battery life lasts up to 8 hours, making it perfect for travel, gyms, or home use. And that's our top 5 deep tissue massage guns for 2025. Remember to focus on amplitude, stall force, and comfort when choosing your perfect massage gun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our next review. Thanks for watching, stay strong, stay relaxed, and I'll see you in the next video.